Why is skincare before bed so important? It's a question that's often asked, but the answer is quite simple. Nighttime is when your skin rejuvenates itself, and the right products can enhance this natural process, leaving you with fresher and healthier looking skin by morning. Starting with the first product, we have the Gentle Cleanser. This product is fantastic because it removes the day's grime and makeup without stripping your skin of its natural oils. To use it, apply a small amount to your damp face and massage it in a circular motion, then rinse it off. The Gentle Cleanser leaves your skin feeling clean and refreshed, ready for the next step in your nighttime routine. Moving on to the second product, we introduce the Toning Mist. The Toning Mist balances the skin's pH levels after cleansing and prepares it for the following treatments. Simply spritz it onto your face and allow it to dry naturally. The result? Your skin will feel revitalized and primed for the next step. Next up, we have the Nourishing Serum. This product is packed with vitamins and antioxidants that work to repair and protect your skin. Apply a few drops to your fingertips and gently pat it into your skin. The Nourishing Serum absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling nourished and hydrated. Our fourth product is the Hydrating Eye Cream. This cream is designed to target the delicate area around your eyes, reducing puffiness and fine lines. Dab a small amount around your eyes with your ring finger, being careful not to tug at the skin. The Hydrating Eye Cream will leave your eyes looking brighter and more youthful. The fifth product on our list is the Night Cream. This cream locks in the benefits of the previous products and provides extra hydration. Apply it to your face and neck, massaging it in upward strokes. The Night Cream works while you sleep, helping your skin to repair and rejuvenate. Finally, we have the Lip Balm. This product is perfect for keeping your lips moisturized and protected throughout the night. Apply a generous layer before bed and wake up to soft, smooth lips in the morning. In summary, the Gentle Cleanser deep cleans your skin, followed by the Toning Mist, which balances your skin's pH. The Nourishing Serum then provides a burst of vitamins and antioxidants, while the Hydrating Eye Cream targets the delicate eye area. The Night Cream locks in all the benefits, and the Lip Balm ensures your lips stay hydrated. Remember, a good nighttime skincare routine is essential for keeping your skin looking its best. So why not give these products a try tonight? Your skin will thank you for it.